You do the intro of the video, bro. Please.
We're not doing anything here, I just checked it.
I almost tried to get rid of my job starting the video. Hi, welcome guys on the channel. This is Danny from 305 again. It's Monday. This guy is laughing at me, making my job harder. This car is came in with the leaking slave cylinder, flooding the clutch disc with brake fluid. Had to change the clutch. It's kind of a catch date late, so he's almost ready. Jonathan is too fast. He's putting the tranny back already. The old clutch went back to the manufacturer as it failed under warranty. This is the slave that failed, and we have the clutch that's soaked in brake fluid, and the slipping because of that, going back to warranty job. Nice. Brand new light for sale. Anybody wants it? So, this is my first car ever. This is the car where I started Volkswagen love. My father bought this car when I was 18. He told me, son, here's a car. Hope you like it. It's a little old. It needs some work. I'm not gonna work on it and I'm not gonna spend no money on it. So that's you. And so it was all stock. Daily drove it for like 3-4 years. Broke the tranny, broke the motor, until one time the motor blew up. I parked it for like 2 years and I put a 3.6 in it, and it stopped being my daily driver. Repairing it before it was still my daily, so it has some things and dents from that time. Original interior. There's a Fittipaldi personal steering wheel, which is pretty cool. The car came with it when I bought it, but my dad bought it for me. And I swapped this in here. It's from a 2008 Passat. It has the 5-speed also-8 transmission. It has AC. It doesn't have a heater because the heater core is broken and didn't want it to take the dash out. But I like the OEM look. Like as you see, things starts to get old and like turn yellow, and the wiring could be rewrapped. All this swap was done like, I think it was in 2016 or something when I built this car. 2015 and 16 when I built this car, almost 10 years ago. I have some E-codes in it. There's our European VR6 E-codes. I bought them with new old stock. They cost me about $500, maybe like 8 years ago. Those things right now doesn't go under 2,000 a pair. These fog lights are not original. The lenses are changed. These are some different model that you was able to buy a couple years back. I found them. I broke the other ones out. They were cracked, and I got these replacements on. Other than that, it has airlift V2 on performance bags. I don't drive it no more, but yeah, this started the whole thing. This was the beginning of 305. Got these Ferrari wheels from a friend of mine. They came up from a Ferrari 400. Got them re-drilled. The tire is flat. The battery is dead. Oh man, it's sad to see this car not running, but I don't have time to drive it all the time. It's a nice battery setup, don't judge me. Let's see a cold start. It's hard to remember all the cars you have sometimes, which tire is leaking. I'm just gonna move this car a little bit forward so I can lower the Mark II I have. That's the most recent car I bought. It's a Mark II GTI, 1991. I always wanted a Mark II GTI. Never really came by a good example. Really, it's hard to find one. This one came up. It's the second or third owner. Has a little book, but an old guy wrote, the first owner. But all the fill-ups, all the service, literally every trip he did, he documented it in that book. I have that book, so car is pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys now. Can't wait to see it. I haven't seen this car in like maybe 2 months. I love it. What color is it? You guys know what color is it? It's white.
All for the Corrado.
Well, that's a hard question. That Corrado is in my heart very deep. So that car, of course. But lately I like the Mark II more than the Corrado. Even though this was fully stock, it's not fast. It drives really good, smooth drive. AC is very cold. You just drive it in a different way. You respect it, you respect the age of the car. People like it on the scale, you get a whole bunch of thumbs up. It's fun to drive this car. It's fully stock, has nothing done in the engine bay. I put a new alternator, timing, new belts, new starter, new battery, cleaned up the red support, just maintenance stuff. I painted this so it matches. It's kinda corroded. Haven't done much to this car. It's just nice as it is. I put these wheels, I had some different wheels, some replicas. These are some Japanese GDM BBSs, they 5x114s, have some adapters. I'm gonna go a lower size. These are 17s, I want some 16s. They rub a little bit, especially on the back, they're too wide. But I had these wheels and I just like them. I just threw them on for now. ST coilovers that the car came with already. Other than that, it's nothing else. Stock inside. I like to have an OEM-ish radio. This radio is a little flashy. Sunroof is working, like 150 some thousand miles. I really like it. We bought it for that amount right there in Washington, 1991, 0801. $9.35 for 8.5 gallons. So then he drove it at 2,000 miles here, 2,500, 10,000 miles here already, 50, 60, 7, 88, and then we can see on his writing that it's not as nice anymore, 99,000, but his some pages are here. I don't know what happened here. He wrote it wrong. The one thing I also did is these engraved Porsche handle covers. Not original, but I don't want to change the handles. They work really good. As the car is in really good shape, I didn't do much to it. The rubbers are nice. Even this one. There is minimal rust on the bottom and the back. Not much. Maybe I fix that later, but not crazy about it. No rust here by the windshield, but they always have. It's a good example. I thought about putting a TSI with the DSG, maybe a Mark 7 drivetrain. I don't know. The car is just too nice to mess it up. And don't really have time to do own projects. I have many other cars to deal with. I have to grow. Maybe I'll be rich one day from YouTube. If you guys follow us, and maybe I can just do projects for living, but that's not the case. We can service your cars too. That was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next week. Bye.